Have you ever wondered how to make money with TikTok? Today we will explore the TikTok Creativity Program. This isn't just your regular platform for viral dances and lip syncing, it's an arena for creativity and innovation, a stage for creators to turn their passion into profit. It's about crafting compelling content and earning from it. So if you've been searching for a way to monetize your unique content, then buckle up. This video is for you. So what exactly is the TikTok Creativity Program? This is a unique initiative by TikTok designed to support creators and foster creativity on the platform. The program offers creators a chance to earn money from their original content, thereby turning their creativity into a sustainable career. The TikTok Creativity Program is open to all creators regardless of their follower count or geographical location. It's a global initiative that rewards originality, creativity, and high-quality content. From dancers and singers to comedians and artists, this program is a bold step towards recognizing the talent that resides on TikTok. As a part of this program, creators could potentially earn up to $10,000 or more. The exact earnings depend on several factors like the quality of the content, its originality, and the engagement it garners on the platform. The more creative and engaging your content, the higher your potential earnings. However, it's not just about the money. The TikTok Creativity Program also provides creators with resources and opportunities to grow their presence on the platform. It's a chance to connect with a global audience, hone your skills, and build a career out of what you love doing the most. But remember, while the program is open to all, it does require a commitment to creating original, high-quality content. Reposting or copying others' work won't get you far in this program. It's all about showcasing your unique voice and vision to the world. Now that you understand what the TikTok Creativity Program is, let's delve into how you can make it work for you. You're probably wondering, how can I make $10,000 with this program? Well, it's all about breaking down the process into manageable, effective steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is all about the content. In the world of TikTok, content is king. You must create engaging, original, and captivating content. But what does that mean? It's about finding your unique voice, your unique style, and your unique storytelling technique. It doesn't matter if you're a musician, a comedian, a dancer, or simply a creative soul with a story to tell. What matters is that you find a way to share that with the world in a way that is authentically you, and that resonates with your audience. Step 2, build a loyal audience. You see, it's not just about racking up views, it's about cultivating an audience who will come back for more, who will engage with your content, who will share your videos, and who will ultimately help you grow your influence on the platform. Be consistent in your posting, engage with your followers, respond to comments, be active in the TikTok community. It's not a one-way street, it's a dialogue, a conversation, a relationship. Step 3, understand the TikTok algorithm. This might sound technical, but it's crucial. The TikTok algorithm determines who sees your content. The more you understand it, the more you can use it to your advantage. The algorithm loves consistency, engagement, and relevance. So, post regularly, encourage your viewers to interact with your content, and make sure your content is relevant to your audience and the wider TikTok community. Finally, consistency is key. Post regularly, create a schedule, and stick to it. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but it also signals to the TikTok algorithm that you're an active, reliable content creator. So there you have it. Content creation, audience building, understanding the algorithm, and consistency. These are the cornerstones of earning with the TikTok Creativity Program. With these steps, you're well on your way to earning with the TikTok Creativity Program. Let's recap everything we've discussed about making money with TikTok. We've delved into the intricacies of the TikTok Creativity Program, a platform that's not just about viral dances and funny clips, but a real avenue for monetization. We've emphasized the importance of creativity and originality because on TikTok, your unique voice is your most valuable asset. We've also dissected the platform's algorithm. Understanding how it works is your roadmap to success. Remember, it's not about making one viral video, it's about creating consistent content that resonates with your audience. With the TikTok Creativity Program, $10,000 is not just a dream, it's a realistic goal. But remember, it's not going to be a walk in the park. It requires dedication, creativity, and a deep understanding of your audience and the platform. Remember, your creativity is your currency on TikTok. So go ahead and start creating. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online.